Are you suffering from joint pain or ligament injury or osteoarthritis? Ayurveda has a simple yet powerful solution, Sthanik Bandhan. Sthanik Bandhan is a localized Ayurvedic therapy where medicated oil and herbal leaves are applied and gently tied over the joint to reduce pain, stiffness, and inflammation, especially in Vata disorders. Let's understand the procedure step by step. First, take clean cotton and dip it in lukewarm medicated oil as prescribed by your Ayurvedic doctor. Now, place this oil-soaked cotton directly over the affected joint. Next, take Vata-hara leaves like Erand leaves and place them over the cotton. These leaves helps in reducing pain and swelling. After that, cover the area with 4 to 5 folds of cotton cloth to retain warmth and allow proper absorption of the medicine. Now gently tie the bandage and remember it should not be too tight or too loose. Also ensure that joint movement is maintained. Do not completely immobilize the area. This bandhan is usually kept for up to 24 hours for maximum therapeutic effect. This therapy is highly beneficial in conditions like Asthi Bhagna, fracture recovery support, osteoarthritis and degenerative joint disorders, ligament tears, sprains, and muscle stiffness. It helps reduce pain, improves mobility, and balances aggravated vata at the local level. Always perform this therapy under the guidance of a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner. Follow for more authentic Ayurvedic healing methods.